just like to write out a melody. Once I've got that kind of down and I know that like musically it sounds good, I can move on to the sound design. Because I find sometimes when I sound design, if I don't have a melody to go with, I can often make something that sounds really good, but then it's like almost too complex. You know, once you start to like write melodies with it, it's unusable. So this is just the way that I like to run with it. Maybe I'll go with meld. I'm just going to bounce this. We've got like the root notes here, so these are kind of like the chords. I'm just going to make chops there. What this does is it keeps the chord progression in the same order. So I'll do it for this second part. Highlight it all, Shift R, and that's going to reverse it. Track, resample, record arm. Now we'll make a new section with that recording. Try and create this like bounce between the two snares. Just try and do something different. Kind of like that, but I'm going to swap out this for something different, a different noise sample, I guess that's what they call it. Thanks so much for watching. I guess I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video, all that kind of stuff. I'll have this project file up on my Patreon if you want to check it out. But yeah, otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.